Nau mai ki whakamiere. Nau mai ki whakamiere. Welcome to Whakamiere, our podcast where we share reo Māori translations of stories. Today's Paki Poto is Te Kūrī me Tōna Ātārangi by Aesop. There are two kupu hou, and the first is pōhehe. It means to mistake. I pōhehe au, ka hui tāua hei a pōpō. I mistakenly thought we were meeting tomorrow. The second kupu is wāhi, and it can mean peace. He wāhi keke māu? Would you like a piece of cake? Kia reare mai ngā taringa, listen out for these kupu hou in the kōrero. Kia hāna nā hoki te noho, whakarongo mai e hoa mā. Te Kūrī me Tōna Ātārangi, nā Aesop. I te kawe te kūrī i tētahi wāhi mīti i tōna waha, kātahi tonu nei ka whānako hia. Ā, ka whakawhiti i tētahi awa marino mā tētahi paparākau. I te tirohanga whakararo, ka pōhehe ia, ka kite i tētahi kūrī anō e kawe ana hoki i tētahi wāhi mīti. Ka apu te ngau ki tēnei. Nāwai, ka makere atu tāna wāhi mīti. Ka ngaro atu ai i te awa. Ko te kiko te kōrero, ka kapohia te ātārangi, ka ngaro te kiko. The Dog and His Shadow by Aesop. A dog, bearing in his mouth a piece of meat that he had stolen, was crossing a smooth stream by means of a plank. Looking in, he saw what he took to be another dog carrying another piece of meat. Snapping greedily to get at this as well, he let go of the meat that he had and lost it in the stream. The moral being, catch at the shadow and you lose the substance. Tēnā rā koe I tāu whakarongo mai ki whakamiere. Thank you so much for listening to Whakamiere. If you've enjoyed what you've been listening to, it would be amazing if you could take just a few minutes to rate and review us on your favourite podcast app. It makes a massive difference in helping us to be discovered by new listeners. If you'd like to show your tautoko in another way, we have a Patreon page. For just $6 a month, you get early access to every episode of Whakamiere, PDFs of every Paki Poto, access to a supportive reo Māori community, limited edition merchandise, as well as complete access to the back catalogue of content, which is now more than 100 posts. Better yet, if you're a kaimahi in kura, kohanga reo, puna reo, or schools in Aotearoa, we're giving you free access. Simply email whakamiere@gmail.com from your staff email address and we'll send you a free Patreon link. A massive mihi goes out to our Patreon supporters without whom this podcast couldn't be ad-free. If you have friends in whānau who might like our kaupapa, please share it with them as well. You can also follow us on Instagram. If you'd like to get in touch with us about the podcast, you can email us or send us a message on Instagram. Ko Taurapa e mihi nui ana, hei a kua nei e hoa mā.